What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over BTC, sitting at 43.7K. We're up 0.52 on the day. So your market cap 859 billion, 24-hour volume 27 billion. We're already in a Bitcoin video, or sorry, in a Bitcoin trade, which is already in profits. So if you want access to my signals, you can gain that completely for free at the end of the video. So we faked out to the downside and we talked about pushing to the upside, bear trap, and then reach the technical target to the upside of this wedge, which would take you up, I think it was like 46K. Yeah, 46.2K. I think that's likely. Of course, anything can happen. So the two scenarios I'm looking at is either overshooting wave B, or we could push all the way up to 52K in a wave 5. Like the wave 5 isn't complete yet. But as of right now, we can look for a potential overshooting wave B. So 45K and 46.9K are my first two targets that we're watching for. I do think we'll at least reach the target of that wedge, which is at 46K. And we'll lock in some of the profits of our trade. So that's what I'm looking at, either an overshooting wave B or the wave 5 simply isn't finished yet. And the target for that is 52K. Looking at the next chart, my apologies, I had a piece of gum in my mouth. I'll take that out so you don't hear me chewing in the video. How obnoxious. So this is the daily time frame. We are printing that bearish divergence. So we put in the higher high. The next resistance to watch is 46K. After that, you can see the volume here on the left side on the volume indicator, in between about 47K all the way up to about 50K. That will be our next resistance level to watch if we do continue to push up. I posted in the DXY, or I posted in the Discord about the DXY coming down to this strong support zone, and so far it looks like that's what's going to play out. So I would expect the DXY to come a little bit further down to about 100. Allow Bitcoin to push up and create that higher high, and then see that bounce for the DXY. That's what I think is likely, and that's what I'm looking for. So at least 46K in my opinion. But if we can push higher, like if we see an impulse 5-way move and we hold a pullback, that's when you could push all the way up to about 52K in a wave 5. So do look for that, a 5-way move. Let's see if we hold the pullback. But at least 46K in my opinion. Anything can happen. We can drop from here. This is crypto. I just like to tell you guys what I think is the more probable scenario. All right, guys, if you want completely free access to my trade signals, we're currently in trades for XRP, Matic, as well as Bitcoin. Sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. Once you've made that deposit, send me an email. You'll get the 20% bonus as well as access to my VIP rooms, my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. We're in 3 trades right now. Crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, my how to all plays. Sign up to BITUNIX, make that first deposit. Or you can sign up to the Patreon if you want direct access to my signals, 10 bucks a month. All links down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.